Well, good Saturday afternoon to you. Lord of mercy, it's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a sure enough good weekend. But I'm here to tell you, it's a beautiful Saturday here in East Central Mississippi. But you know what? Old Bumblebee Junction called Dan at the Home in the Sticks channel out. The Magical Fruit Challenge? Give me a second and I'm gonna explain what the challenge is. All right, you and y'all, here we go. The Magical Fruit Challenge. What is that, Dan? Well, Bumblebee Junction did a video 3 days ago on him making some showing off pork and beans over there at his home place. Mighty fine looking pork and beans at that. So Mark went ahead and issued a challenge, a couple of YouTube channels, to follow suit. Roll that bean footage. Show me what your beans look like. But I'm here to tell you, Mark, I don't know, brother, you might have been standing out in the sun too long, challenging a coon ass to a cooking video. Let me show you what I'm finna do over here in East Central Mississippi. And I'm gonna show you the ingredients and then we're gonna rock on from there. All right, let's look at some ingredients. What I have here is some bacon and some Mosby smoked sausage. That's going in my baked beans, I'm here to tell you. Have a medium onion that I chopped, just a rough chop. I have 1 bell pepper that I did a rough chop on as well. 1 jalapeno that I seeded and did a rough chop on. I have 2 sticks of green onions that I cut up on a rough chop. 1 tablespoon of mustard powder. 1 tablespoon of Winchester sauce, or Worcestershire sauce, whichever you prefer. Half a cup of brown sugar. 1 cup of some tomato sauce. A 22-ounce can of some showing off crushed pineapples. And 2 cans of original Bush's baked beans. And these are the 28-ounce cans. So that's what we finna cook up, y'all. And I'm here to tell you, I did this a while back, several years ago. And I don't know, I just always called them 9th Ward baked beans. So that's what we finna call them, 9th Ward baked beans. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna get this bacon and this Mosby smoked sausage rendered off in this guy right here. And all this is a 5-quart large or Loge Dutch oven. So give me a second, let me get that set up, let me get this thing fired up and heated up, and we're gonna get to rendering this off. All right, y'all, let's get this bacon and Mosby sausage into this Dutch oven and we're gonna render it off. All right, Dan, what it looking like right here? Okay, Dan, why are you doing this? Why do you do this? Well, I'm here to tell you, I believe, and this is just my opinion, done it this way my whole life. My mama taught it to me at a young age. Any meat that I use in something like baked beans or possibly a gumbo or something like that, you want to brown that meat off. And what it's going to do is it's going to create another layer of flavor in whatever it is that you are cooking. So I always like to brown my meat off. So give me a couple 9 minutes. I'm going to get this browned up. I'm going to bring y'all back and I'm going to show you what we finna do next. All right, you and y'all. Our bacon and Mosby smoked sausage has browned off really good. What I've done is I went ahead and I turned that fire off and I'm just gonna take a slotted spoon, and what I intend to do is pull this stuff out of here and put it into this bowl, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna reserve the grease that's left over after cooking the bacon and the smoked sausage. So let me get all of this stuff out of the Dutch oven and I'm gonna show you what we do next. Okie dokie, there is our bacon and Mosby sausage. Here is our grease that's still left in the pan. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add our onions, bell pepper, green onions, and jalapeno. Give it a stir. And what we are doing here is all we're gonna do is we're gonna saute these vegetables probably a couple 5 minutes, something like that, until we get them tender. So give me a couple 5 minutes and I'll turn this camera back on. Okay, brothers and sisters, here we go. The vegetables have sauteed really good. When I say saute, I want those onions to be translucent, and I also want those bell peppers to turn, oops, sorry about that. I want those bell peppers to turn light green. They were dark green, but now they're light green. So we good to go. So we're gonna start adding in the rest of the ingredients. I'm gonna add my bacon and sausage back into the mix. All right, I'm adding in the baked beans, the 2 cans of baked beans. Next thing I'm gonna add in is the crushed pineapples. I'm adding in the 1 cup of tomato sauce. Adding in the brown sugar. Adding the ground mustard. And I'm adding in the Winchester sauce. Gonna give it a real good stir because it's kind of a thick mixture, so we're gonna stir it up real good. I apologize for the voiceover, y'all. I forgot to check the batteries in my transmitter on my wireless system, so it is what it is. Now, probably what I'm saying right now is Mark over at Bumblebee Junction is cooked his baked beans on his Oklahoma Joe. I have a Okie Joe too, but I'm gonna cook mine on the pit barrel cooker. I think the pit barrel cooker is gonna do a good job. All right, you and y'all, here we go. Lord of mercy, I forgot to change the batteries on my my transmitter for my wireless system. Lord, I might have to do some voiceover work, but what I did was I went ahead and put those baked beans on the pit barrel cooker. I'm finna crack it open and let you see what it look like. Woo-wee, that's what I'm talking about. Nothing but goodness right there. I'm gonna have to say nay on the hickory. I didn't go hickory, I went pecan wood. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let these baked beans smoke in this pit barrel cooker for about 3 hours. So give me about 3 hours. We're gonna take these baked beans out and I'm gonna show you some sure enough good 9th Ward baked beans. So I'll see y'all in 3 hours. All right, y'all, while them beans are getting their smoke on, I'm finna tag 5 other YouTube channels to get involved in the Magical Fruit Challenge. And I'm gonna call out Old Camp Ranch, Mr. Rick. You sure enough, you've been challenged. The Sapper Gardener, Brother Rob, you've been challenged as well, brother. Miss Lori over at Whippoorwill Holler, ma'am, I know you sure enough do some cooking. You sure enough challenged as well. Brother Tim over at Hidden Meadow Farms, right here in sure enough good old Mississippi, brother, you were tagged as well because I know you cook as well. And last but not least, Heaven's Gate Cherry Farms, brother, you are sure enough challenged. I know y'all cook over there. So this is not look, if this is something, if you can do the video and put it up, cool. If you can't, I'm cool too. But if you can, I sure enough love to see what kind of baked beans y'all do over there at y'all home place or homestead. All right, you and y'all, 3 hours has been up and I'm here to tell you, Lord of mercy, I done pulled the smoked baked beans off of the pit barrel cooker. I'll point you down, I'm gonna show you what they look like. Oh Lord, damn, where the beans at? Well, I'm glad you asked. My uncle actually called me up a couple of hours ago. He's like, Dan, I'm finna put some stuff on the grill. You wanna come over and eat? And I was like, Unc, funny you say that. I got some sure enough smoked pork and beans that I have cooking over here. So going to a family function and I'm gonna bring these sure enough 9th Ward baked beans over there to the little cookout with my family. But there they are right there. But let me point you down. I'm gonna show you. Sure enough, you know I'm gonna do a taste test. Look at there. The longer they sit, the thicker they get. I'm here to tell y'all, if y'all had smell-o-vision, it'd be on like a chicken bone. Grab me a little spoon. I'm gonna do a taste test because I know these jokers are sure enough good. So let's see what they taste like. Oh Lord of mercy. Now I know I'm probably gonna have a couple of folk ask me, Dan, what's up with the crushed pineapples? Well, I'm here to tell you, them crushed pineapples, the sweetness in it offsets all of the spice that may be in those in the smoked sausage. It just works out really, really good. That makes some fine eating. Y'all need to give this one a try if you want to. Today is Saturday, September the 8th, possibly. It's getting late out here. I got a little family function I'm finna go to, so I'll probably post this video tomorrow, which will be Sunday the 10th. I hope you watch it, and I hope y'all enjoy it, because I sure enough enjoyed making the video for you and y'all. Mark and Miss T over at Bumblebee Junction, I sure enough thank y'all for doing the Magical Fruit Challenge. This has been fun, and I truly enjoy cooking, and it's just a good thing for me. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homestead channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over, give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Rafferty's showing up, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean nobody. You get your shine on. Especially when you're cooking some showing off 9th Ward baked beans. And we will see you and y'all in the next video.